What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can place a market buy order on Trading 212. So let's get started. Also, if you guys just recently opened your Trading 212 account, you can use my promo code from the description below to get a free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's go ahead and continue. So to place a market buy order, you will just need to first go on the search bar right here to search for the stock which you want to buy. So let's say that I want to buy a few shares of Nvidia. I will just click on Nvidia and then click buy. From here, if you take a look at this section right here, you will be able to see different types of orders that you can use. Now the default one will be the market order, so just leave it at the market order. Now in the value section, just go ahead and input the amount of euros that you would like to exchange for Nvidia stocks, or you can switch this to shares by clicking the value option, as you can see right here. But I will just leave it in the euros value. So let's say that I want to buy 10 euros of Nvidia shares. You can just input 10 euros and then click review order. Now on the order review screen, you can see all the fees associated, which in this case is about 1 euro cent. So if this works for you, just go ahead and click send buy order. And there we go. So because this is a market order, this order will be executed at the next available price, because currently the market is closed. So as you can see, the market opens in about 2 days here, and the order will be executed then. So once you place the order, just go ahead and click OK. And then if you want to cancel the order for some reason, you can go to your portfolio right here. And here you would be able to see that order. Now to cancel it, you can just click on this X right here and then just confirm by clicking cancel. And that's guys how you can place a buy market order on the Trading 212 app. Again, if you just recently created your account, you're eligible for a 1 free stock if you use the promo code from the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.